Okay, so I'm recording the video right now. Okay, so we came all the way from there. It is really tough. You know, it can cost your life. So I think I had a Christopher McCandless adventure right here. It's Hassan district, and okay, Prajwal, what is the fall? What is the fall known as?
Mukul Manai.
Mukul Manai. Okay, this is Mukul Manai fall. We just happened to discover this. This fall is deadly. It's rainy season, and okay, this guy, he's the hero. He's Prajwal. Okay, he's a resident of Hassan, and we stayed with him here. He's a hero, and he's a driver who got us all the way. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, can you take my just click. Okay, no, just hold it. Hold it. Just hold it. Show me. So I hope this is not my last visit here. So so I hope we've come to this place and we're going back safe. And I'm going to share this on Facebook. Okay, thank you. Give it back to me.
So you can go.